Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you test and review of this telescope lens. I just got it from Amazon. I purchased it from Amazon for $36. It was 35 something, $36 plus tax. And this is a telescope lens for phone, especially your iPhone or Android phone. It is universal and it is actually 36x telephoto. So if you are shooting very long distance something, then this is a great thing for your phone. And in this video I'm going to show you, like, I did some research on Amazon and I found this is the best price and the how much zoom you can do. Based on that, I thought this is the best one. So before we do the test, let me show you what comes inside the box. So looks like this is the clip. This is the universal clip. Again, this is specific to, it's not specific to any phone. It is just you use with your phone to capture something that is far away. So this clip, and there is one thing here, and this box, and this one I believe is the lens. So I'm gonna use it with my iPhone, but it's nothing with not specific to any phone or anything. So in they're giving a nice pouch to carry. This is the instruction guide. You always suggest you follow the instruction guide first, and they're giving one cleaning cloth, and I think this is the lens. Yes, this is the telephoto lens. You can see I'm seeing some spot here. I just opened it and I'm seeing some spot here which I'm not sure. Okay, let me clean it up. Oh no, it's not a spot, it's something, some reflection. It's because of the reflection. Sorry friends, it's not a spot. And this is the lens, this is the back side, and you can, like, plus and minus, everything it is showing here. So I'll do everything. Let's check out what else is in this here. Let's check out. So they're giving a case, they're giving a phone case which will help to utilize, but this is the not for iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is for different iPhone, so it's not gonna work for me and I'm not gonna use it. They're giving one phone case, which is nice, but this is not, this is something I don't need actually. So let's see actually the telephoto lens first. Let's put it, install it, and then do the test and see how far you can see with it. Let's do it. So friends, let me show you the installation. So this is the clip that they provided. It has rubber, that is good, and you can change the length of this one. You can see you can change the length of this one, because this one will stuck here. Let me show you. So it is fixed here. Now you can adjust the height and length with your phone. So I have my phone here. Now let me do this. Let me adjust, put it here first. Let me put it here, and then I just adjust it. Okay, so that it sits exactly on top of the camera. It's supposed to go like this. It is not going like that. It's supposed to go fit like that. This is one problem. It's not doing that. Now let me turn on the camera. Let me turn on the camera, and it's not in right place. Let me see if I can show you correctly. So You can see, let me adjust the position of this lens. Oh, I think the lens, the phone is not using the other lens. Yeah. Let's first fix which camera it is using. It is using this camera. This camera, because my finger is there on top of that. So it is using this camera. Now let me try to put it there. Now try to adjust. It's not that great, friends. I don't like this one. I don't think it's, the problem is it's not fitting correctly. Let me see. It's not fitting correctly on top of, and they provided one cover, but that's not for iPhone. That's not for iPhone 17 Pro Max or something. Video. No, it's not fitting. It's very hard to fit because this one is not proper length. It is very small and nowhere I am able to fit it. Actually, let me try with the telephoto lens. Let me try with telephoto lens. So looks like this telephoto lens is getting tried. Okay. Video after 4x, it will go with that. No. Is it picking up from there or not? No. It's not using that. Zoom lens. This is the zoom lens, friends. So no, it is not that great. It doesn't fit on the phone. This is the one problem. And no way iPhone is capturing it. It is not working, friends. Yep, now it is in right place, I think. And again I have to adjust. No, it is not in the right place. It is not fitting. So I don't think it's a good one to use. It's not fitting nicely. Let me take out the cover and see if that works fine. Otherwise I don't think I can use it because the design and everything doesn't look nice to me. So it's there. Now let me drag it little up. Now let me see if it moved to that camera or not. No, why it is not moving to that camera? It is not utilizing this camera. Why? So friends, it is giving very hard time. I am not able to actually fit it on my phone, and it's slippery. Again, it doesn't work with I don't like the design. It's very slippery and it doesn't fit clearly, nicely. So I don't recommend you to use this one. I am trying my best, but it's not doing as it's supposed to do. Like I am not able to find the right place to put it. and again it's very hard to actually work with it. So you can spend time on it, but I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it to use. I am trying with all the cameras, but none of them it is working fine. So maybe it's something I am missing or something. Some like, I cannot say anything. See, you can see here it is working. See, you can see that's how, but it's very difficult to use this one, and it's not fitting on iPhone correctly. So you can see something. So I don't, while working, while taking picture or recording something, I don't want to play with, like spend my time with fixing this one. So that's why I don't like it, looks like. And also one more problem is, friends, you can adjust only the focus using this one. It's not like you can just zoom in and zoom out. It's only for focusing. This one is only to focus. I checked manually with my eyes. This is only for focus. So I am not gonna keep it. I have to return it. So now I'm not gonna keep it. I'll return this one because it's not gonna work, and I don't want to spend my $36 plus tax for this one. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.